Well, hello there. My name is Rob Fredrickson, and I serve as the Associate Minister at Ozaukee Congregational Church in Grafton. The church and I have been volunteering with Next Door's Books for Kids program for well over a decade now. We've participated in Read With Me, and we've enjoyed many light-hearted hours in the book sorting room, too. What's more, our church proudly counts Mary Kellner among our membership. Now, that's a name many of you know, I'm sure. In fact, I've called Mary the founding mother of Books for Kids, and her friendship has only added to our enthusiasm as volunteers. Now, of course, the pandemic has caused an interruption in our hands-on volunteering, and probably in yours as well. But here in the summer of 2021, as we all celebrate the 30th birthday of Books for Kids, we at our church are starting to reconnect and re-engage with Nextdoor. If you haven't been inside the 29th Street location lately, you're in for a treat. I think you will be very impressed with the renovations, including a spacious and sparkling new book room. Meanwhile, on behalf of Ozaukee Congregational Church, I say happy 30th birthday, Books for Kids. We look forward to many bright years ahead.